Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. I am also doing great. So I am Lakshman. I welcome you all to my another new blog. Right now I am in the jungle of a small village in India. And today we will see a great festival happening in the jungle. You can see yourself how many people have come from nearby villages to watch the festival. People in India really enjoy festivals like this. By the way, I forgot to mention the festival happening today is called Govardhan Puja. This festival is celebrated only in Indian villages. Here, a boy is standing and people are taking photos with him. This boy is dressed like the character PK from an Indian movie. He was very innocent and looked a bit nervous when he saw our camera. Twice as many people are going out to see the festival as those coming down. Finally, we also reached the top. You can see how beautiful the view is from here. Actually, this place is called Nolichua. There's a small waterfall here that we will explore properly later. Today, my friends and I came here suddenly to see the festival, and now that we were here, it feels really nice. There's a small temple here where people worship Lord Krishna. Different types of prayers will be performed here for everyone's happiness. People are playing music to make the festival more joyful. Playing instruments during the worship is also a tradition here. Friends, I upload many wonderful videos related to India on my channel. If you like this kind of content, you can like, share and subscribe to my channel. Right now a secret fair ritual is being performed in front of the temple. This is done as part of the worship ceremony. You can see how beautiful the view of the Nolichua waterfall looks from here. This is what we call a gift of nature. So friends, we have seen the temple area where the prayers and traditional music were performed. Now we will go down to the Nolichua waterfall where there is also a large cave, and you know what? Worship is done inside the cave as well. The path going down is quite dangerous, but honestly, the real fun is in the danger. We have to make our way carefully along the trail. I am making a vlog, and because of that, I have made many new friends here. Right now, many people have come here for the Govardhan festival, and the place look really nice. On normal days, though this area feels quite scary. This forest is part of the Debrigad Wildlife Sanctuary in Odisha. Sometimes you can even spot wild animals here. You can see yourself how difficult it is for people to walking here. They are not only using their feet but also their hands to climb. Anyway friends, somehow we finally reached the right spot. This place is truly beautiful and it's called Nolichua waterfall. The rainy season has just ended, so there isn't much water right now. Otherwise, during the rains, a lot of water flow here and the waterfall looks even more beautiful. A great person invented the phone for talking, but today people use phones less for talking and more for taking photos and entertainment. Now we are going toward the cave. The local people say the cave is really large, but no one knows how deep it really is. After walking about 40 meters inside, there is a small temple. There is a god is worshipped. Only the priest and a few brave people go there. Many people have slipped and fallen while bathing in the waterfall, but luckily no one has seriously hurt. The local people believe that the god of this place protects them. And what I am saying is true. This news has even been so many times on TV channel. My friends, I think such festivals are celebrated only in India. If you think about it, Indian people are take great interest in festivals and traditions. Right now the Govardhan Puja is happening in the forest. There isn't much going on here. People mainly come to worship the mountain and Lord Krishna. But tonight there will be many programs, not in the forest but in the nearby village. I tried to make a vlog inside the cave but I couldn't succeed. Today we meet many people, made many clips and really enjoyed the day. After watching the festival in the forest, when we came to the nearby village, we saw that food had been arranged for everyone. So we also ate some prasad. The prasad includes the rice along with many delicious dishes. Usually whenever there is a festival in the village, some rich people arrange feast for others and for their own happiness. I don't know how you feel about Indian culture, but India's culture is truly unique and different from all other countries. So friends, that's all for today's vlog. On this channel, I upload many interesting vlogs that not only entertain you but also help you learn something new. You can explore India while sitting at home. So friends, if you like such content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you very soon in another new vlog. Till then, tata, bye bye.